I was always inclined to make history, but I never really had the time. Spent my life living dangerously, never worried how I'm getting by. I'm out here working, trying to do what I can. I'm out here sweating, dripping blood from my hands, doing what I'm good at, just doing what I'm made for.
So, in the trucking industry, nothing is predictable sometimes. That is my fire extinguisher right there. Had to use it. Almost started a fire today. On I-40, Oklahoma City. Lost my two tires, man. Almost started a fire. The metal was catching fire there. It was too hot and it touched the brush. Right here. Broke off. Construction area. I've been sitting here for about 3 hours. Someone is coming to rescue me. So I had to run, get off the highway. This is one of the tires. The tire is still good, but the rim is bad. The other tire is about over there. It's not good, so I had to let it go. Yeah. Just another day. You still stay strong and keep pushing. Smile. It gets better.